Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to make the video call on your WhatsApp through your PC and laptop, then this video is for you. First, you have to go to the conversation, then simply click on this video call button. For that, if you want to make calls with the video call with that person, then you must need to get the app from your WhatsApp official web page or from the Microsoft store. So let's get the app. Simply click on get app, and here you can see it has just installed here. So you have to install it, and after installing that with this WhatsApp application from the Microsoft Store, you have to simply click on get, and after installing you can simply click on the video call button, and with just like this, let me show you this video calls here, this video icon here. So it will just enable the video call for you, and you can join your friends. You can go with you can talk in video call with your multiple friends, where this is your camera section, where if you click on it, it will close your camera. So if you have a webcam attached on your PC or your laptop, then you can turn on your camera and you can show your face through that camera. And this for the microphone, if you want to mute your microphone, you can simply click it on it for once, and it will mute your voice. And this is for the screen share, if you want to present something or share your screen, so you can go with that. And if you click on it, then it will end the video call. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.